In this demo, I show you how to work with data of long-term studies in Interact. Now, let's open a demo file here. Go to Files, Demos, Example for long-term periods. As you see in this demo file, let me go up. So you see there is a data group and a data set. We have a class for US President, a class for wars, German chancellors, VIPs, history moments, technology moments. And if you take a look here, we have even date information that is below the year 0. So this means, for example, let's say the Great Wall of China was from 770 before Christ, built until 476 before Christ. Let's go a little further down to, for example, US presidents here, or to see some of the VIPs. For example, Elvis Presley lived from 1935 January 8th to 1977 August 16. We could also use real-time information to do this. I just would need to make a double click here and enter, for example, the birth time of Elvis Presley, which I don't know, but let's just assume it's 8 o'clock and 43 minutes. So this would be possible to be extremely precise down to a single video image, as you can see here, if you would work with video data, but also allowing you to add full year, month, and day information to each of your recorded events in Interact. Let's go to the analysis. Here we see all the classes and codes that we have. Now that's the timeline chart. As you can see here in the timeline chart, when I move the mouse, you will always see the full time information at the current mouse position shown here. You can also see the full range of time from the left to the right is this interval here, which is really long time. And when I zoom in on the data, then I see what's really happening. For example, during lifetime of George Washington, if I select this fragment, I could scroll down and see what other things were happening during that time. I can do this much more sophisticated. Let's use the trim on codes filter and say, for example, I'm interested in the lifetime of let's say, what do we have here? Hang on, where are my VIPs? They're down here. The lifetime of Albert Einstein, for example. Now let's trim on code. VIPs, Albert Einstein. Okay. Now all the data was trimmed to match the start and the end of the lifetime of Albert Einstein, which is here. Here's the start, and here's the end. As you can see, all the other data was clearly cut off here. Now, when I select that fragment and I take a look into the statistics, then I see, for example, that the percentage over time is here, and I can see, for example, what other VIPs were living during lifetime of Albert Einstein, which is here, let's say Mark Twain, 40.78%. Let's just check that. Where is Mark Twain? Here he is. So this is around 48% of the entire lifetime of Albert Einstein. This is just to show you that Interact is really capable of collecting any kind of information that is based on the time. And Interact, as you know, always records the start and the end time for whatever information you want to collect. To make this more interesting, let me just show you that you can easily add other information, for example, plain text document or a Word document to your specific collected data here, which we always call an event. You simply drag and drop this information onto the transcript field. Then you can see here a little T, which means that in this, I can make it bigger, that in this events transcript field there is some information. Let me drag and drop somewhere else. Sorry, I dropped it as a file. Doesn't make sense. So drop it here. Now, when you make a click here on that field, then you see all this information is immediately open. And when I make a click on that field, all those files are opened as well. So this allows you to link any kind of information, no matter if it's text, if it's a multimedia file, didn't show that, but it's working the same way, or any other kind of information that is time-based can be collected and linked within Interact. For all the amazing analysis possibilities that you can do in Interact, please watch any of the other videos. I hope you liked this so far. Thank you for watching and goodbye.